Hello bachcho, let us read the question first. If one vertex of the triangle having maximum area that can be inscribed in the circle z minus I is equal to the 5 is 3 minus 3i, then find the other vertices of the triangle. So first of all we'll write the key concept here. द की कॉन्सेप्ट यह है कि यदि यहाँ पे दिया गया है कि मैक्सिमम एरिया द ट्राइंगल हैविंग द मैक्सिमम एरिया, तो यह कौन सा ट्राइंगल होगा? इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल होगा। सबसे पहले इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल होगा, लैटरल ट्राइंगल होगा। यदि पेरीमीटर इनके बराबर होते हैं कोई भी ट्राइंगल्स के, तो इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल के सबसे ज़्यादा एरिया होते हैं, मैक्सिमम एरिया कवर करता है। It was the first key concept, and the second key concept is that suppose we have something like this is point Z and this is point Z1 and Z2 and it is the angle theta. So suppose we can write here from the rotation, on the concept of rotation, we can say z1 minus z by z2 minus z can be written as mod of z1 minus z by mod of z2 minus z e to the power iota theta. So this is the formula that we are going to use. So first of all we have the equation of the circle. So first we'll draw the circle equation. This is the circle. So now we'll draw the triangle inside this, because the triangle is to be drawn inside the circle. So this is the triangle. So the center of the circle is given, that is I. So I point is given, and suppose this vertex is Z and this vertex is Z, and this vertex is given, suppose 3 minus 3i. So finally we can join this vertex to the center of the circle. We know that it is the equilateral triangle, so this angle will be 60, the half of this will be 30, it will be 30, it will be 30, then if both will be 30 then it will be 120, because there should be 180 डिग्री। एक ट्राइंगल में कितना एंगल बनता है? 180, तो ये कितना होगा? 120 डिग्री होगा। तो हम सेम फार्मूला वी यूज करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम लिख सकते हैं z माइनस आई minus 3i minus I can be written as z minus iota by mod of 3 minus 3i minus I e to the power minus plus minus. We'll take both value, because plus and minus both value, because प्लस माइनस आयोटा 2 पाई बाई 3। हम यहाँ दो वैल्यू ले रहे हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ से यदि हम करते हैं तो z माइनस आई 3 माइनस आई, सो वी हैव द टू वेज टू रोटेट। ऐसे भी हम घूम सकते हैं यहाँ पे, तो क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में घूम सकते हैं और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में भी एंगल ले सकते हैं। तो एंगल लेने के अकॉर्डिंग हम दोनों केस लेके चलेंगे, प्लस और माइनस। So that's why we are taking both the cases. So here we know that the z minus I is the radius of the circle, and the 3 minus 3i is 3 minus 3i minus I is also radius of the circle. So we can say the mod of this will be the value. So we can say that it will be r plus minus iota 2 pi by 3. So z minus I by 3 minus 4i, r will be cancelled out. So after solving this, z minus iota by 3 minus 4i can be written as e to the power plus minus iota 2 pi by 3. So now we'll expand this and then we'll get z minus I by 3 minus 4i equal to cos 2 pi by 3 plus minus iota sin 2 pi by 3, that the cos 120 is nothing but the minus 1 by 2. Here we'll try to find out cos 120 degree. This lie in the second quadrant, so we can say cos 90 degree plus 30 degree. We can say it will be minus sine 30 degree, and we know the value of minus sine 30 degree is minus 1 by 2. So similarly we can calculate the sine 2 pi by 3. So it will be I root 3 by 2 minus iota by 3 minus 4i. So after solving this, we have two cases. In the first case we'll take positive, and in the second case we'll take negative. So minus 1 by 2, suppose we are taking the plus case first, the minus iota by 3 minus 4 iota, suppose it is equation number 1, and we'll consider equation number 2 when we are taking negative part. Minus 1 by 2 minus, now we'll take minus root 3 I by 2. So now we'll consider this equation. Suppose this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now we'll solve these two equation and then we'll check. So taking equation number 1 first, so z minus iota can be written as minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 iota by 2 into 3 minus 4i, 3 minus 4i. So now we'll do multiplication. So we have z minus iota, and after solving this we can write it minus 3 by 2 plus 3 under root 3 iota by 2 plus 2 iota plus 2 root 3. So this is the value. So now we can say z will be I plus minus 3 by 2 plus 3 root 3 iota by 2 plus 2 iota plus 2 root 3. So after collecting real part and imaginary part, so we can write it as a z is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. It is real part, and then now we'll write the imaginary part, that is 3 plus 3 root 3 by 2. So this is the positive part. This is the solution of equation number 1. Equation number 1. So now we'll solve for the equation number 2 and then get the value of z. We'll get the 3 by 2 minus 2 root 3 plus iota 3 minus 3 root 3 by 2. So this is the negative part, means equation 2, the solution of equation 2. So we have found this equation. So finally we can say हमारे पास दोनों vertices मिल गए, vertices 1 and vertices 2. First vertices 1 and it is the vertices 2. Vertices 2. So hope you understood it well. Best of luck.